mucirithania wa igoti inene Jaji Juma Chitemwbe riu arorete kurwo ni wira wake ta jaji wa igoti inene bururi-ini thutha wa kamiti ya mwanya iria iramuthuthuragia kumunyita na mahitia ma kwagarara gatiba undu umwe na kwaga wuigiririki wira-ini wake.
The tribunal finds that the actions of the judge in advising
kamiti ino iria iratongoragio ni mucirithania wa igoti ria gucokia cira riko mubingo ineanire riboti ya mendekithia mao kuri President William Ruto ikiririo rito itua ria kamiti ya kunyebara ruhonge rwa magoti bururi-ini JSC ria kwendekithia kweherio gwa Chitembwe thutha wa kumunyita na mahitia.
The above stated breaches of the Constitution and the Code of Conduct and Ethics by the judge amount to gross misconduct and misbehavior under Article 168(1)(e) of the Constitution. And in accordance with Article 168(7)(b) of the Constitution, we therefore recommend to Your Excellency that the Honorable Mr. Justice Juma Chitemwbe be removed from the office of Judge of the High Court.
Mwena-ini wake mutongoria wa bururi acokeirie ngatho kamiti ino ni kuhanyukia utabania wa wira wayo, akiuga aruti wira othe a muingi no nginya makurane njira iria igathikitwo cia utungata wao kuri muingi wa bururi.
And having considered all the evidence and following the tribunal's findings that allegations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 have been proved, we unanimously find that the judge's conduct was in breach of the Judicial Service Code of Conduct and Ethics, Regulations 2020, amounted to gross misconduct, contrary to 168(1)(b) and (e) of the Constitution.
The more responsibility we have, the more power we exercise. It comes with huge responsibility and equally major accountability.
President William Ruto riu no gukorwo na kiugo kia muthia hari itua riri ria kweheria Jaji Chitembwe ugite kamiti ino niyonanitie wega njira cia kung'ethanira na maabitha thirikari makiria ria mekuyagirwo hari kwagarara watho wira-ini wao gukwakiranira gwika kuringana na uria kamiti ino yendekithitie.
It points clearly and squarely that if any arm of government, including the hallowed judiciary, go beyond the law, go beyond the Constitution, there is a mechanism for necessary corrective measures that can be done.
Kamiti ino yaubirwo ni President wa tene Uhuru Kenyatta kurumirira mendekithia ma kamiti ya kunyebara ruhonge rwa magoti bururi-ini JSC kuheana mendekithia ota maya ma kweherio gwa Chitembwe ta jaji kumana na gukorwo akuruhanitio na igeria ria guthoga itua ria cira wari igoti-ini mugaru na watho.
I will subsequently do my part as instructed by you. This is a matter that I do not have any other recourse. And I don't believe that if a matter like this comes to my office and I have no choice but to do what the law says, that does not make me any less. I think it's just the way things are supposed to be.
Ameba kamiti ino mararu wakiri Fredo Jiabu, acirithania Bida Ali na Nzio Kamakau, James Ochieng noria ware munene wa biraro sheria-ini Jackson Dungu Dumwe na Lydia Nzomo. Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitago Maura, Wagunya.